They didn't cross into Ghana looking for conquest. They crossed running for their lives. Before colonial borders, before Ghana existed, the Ewe people broke out of a walled city, walked backward to confuse their enemies, and rebuilt their nation across new lands. This is the true story of how the Ewe migrated into Ghana. Long before modern borders carved West Africa into separate nations, the Ewe people were already on the move, even not by chance, but by resistance, courage, and a deep desire for freedom. Origins beyond present-day Ghana. The Ewe trace their earliest known origins to the east of present-day Ghana, in regions around Ketu and Notsie, areas that today lie within Togo and parts of Benin. These lands were once fertile and prosperous, ruled by powerful kings and bound together by strong spiritual traditions. The most famous of these early settlements was Notsie, a fortified city ruled by King Ogorkoli, whose name still echoes strongly in Ewe oral history. Life under King Ogorkoli. At first, Notsie was a place of unity. But as time passed, King Ogorkoli's rule turned harsh and oppressive. He is remembered for cruelty, forced labor, and severe punishments. Walls were built not to protect the people, to trap them. According to Ewe oral tradition, even acts as small as showing intelligence or independence could lead to punishment. Fear ruled daily life. Families whispered instead of speaking freely. The city that once symbolized strength became a prison. The Great Escape from Notsie. The Ewe did not submit forever. In one of the most powerful stories of resistance in West African history, the Ewe secretly planned an escape. Knowing the city was surrounded by thick walls, they devised a clever strategy. Women were instructed to pour water on a section of the wall every day, weakening it slowly without raising suspicion. One night, the wall collapsed. To confuse their pursuers, the Ewe walked backwards, leaving footprints that appeared to lead into Notsie instead of away from it. This moment became legendary, just as an escape, but as proof of Ewe intelligence and unity. The long migration westward. After fleeing Notsie, the Ewe migrated westward in groups, guided by clan leaders and priests. The journey was not easy. They crossed rivers, forests, and unfamiliar lands. Some groups settled along the way, others continued further. Over time, these migrating clans spread across Volta Region of Ghana, southern and central Togo, parts of Benin and Ghana. They settled in places such as Anloga, Keta, Piki, Ho, Kando, and Keta Lagoon areas, adapting to coastal, riverine, and forest environments. Building new homes in Ghana. Unlike conquerors, the Ewe were builders. They established organized communities with strong systems of governance based on chiefs, councils of elders, and spiritual leaders. They became skilled farmers, fishermen, weavers, notably Kente and Ewe cloth traders along coastal and inland routes. Even though colonial borders later split Ewe communities between Ghana, Togo, and Benin, their language, customs, festivals, and ancestry remain one. Identity beyond borders. Today, the Ewe people remain a powerful reminder that African history did not begin with colonial maps. Their migration into Ghana was not an accident, it was an act of survival, resistance, and self-determination. From the fall of Notsie to the rise of vibrant Ewe towns in Ghana, the journey of the Ewe people tells a deeper truth. They did not just migrate to Ghana, they carried their identity with them and rebuilt it wherever they stood.